Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mrs.Cowart Journey, and today I'm going to show you something that I bought from Amazon.com. So if you ladies are looking for something that has great quality, also affordable, that you want to wear for your mans, definitely check on Amazon.com. So the first item that I brought is a teddy one-piece baby doll. It is a bodysuit and I am so in love with it. It was $12.99. It comes in multiple colors. It is a high quality lace. You can tell when the quality of a material is good, but the threading of it, just the fact that I'm able to kind of stretch it and it doesn't rip or tear, like I am all for this. It comes in multiple sizes. You can check out your sizes. Mine was a small, but you can get it in medium, extra large, and large. So the second item was a baby doll V-neck sleepwear. It came with two pieces. One is a little bow tie thong, and then the second item was like this elegant nightwear, like ruffle, fashionable, sexy, cute type of gown. I love this. This is one of my favorite ones. My husband loves the red one, but you know, we have options, boo-boo. This was $9.99 if I have not mentioned. So again, check out Amazon.com for the two items. I will list both items in the description. So let's get into this video, dolls. So it has been a while since I've done a deep condition, dolls, and I am ready for a deep penetrating, moisturizing deep condition. So I've taken down my hair. This is what my hair looks like. It is definitely getting thicker and longer. I'm spraying my hair with a bottle of water and moisturizer just to kind of, you know, get in the poofiness out of my hair. Y'all know from the last deep condition I said I should have put water on it so that the conditioner could absorb more. So I've learned from that experience. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and turn on your notifications to be notified of all my videos. So in this video, I am showing you a concoction of all my favorite conditioners mixed in one. My first conditioner is the Kiwi Lime that I got from the Dollar Tree. Aussie Moisture is my next one. Y'all know I raved about this in multiple videos. Y'all know I can't forget about my Vitica Garlic Hair Mask, and we can't forget about my Alpha G Balancing Moisturizer. And then finally is my mix of oils. So I'm starting off with oil, placing that onto my damp hair, and then finally placing the concoction on top of that. So y'all continue to watch, dolls, and we'll talk later. Hey dolls, enjoying the video so far? Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel as well as clicking the notification bell to be notified of all my many videos that I love to post. Make sure you also comment down below on any questions that you may have on any video. Now let's get back to the video. I just want to encourage you all, when people doubt you or doubt your journey, let that be your encouragement. Let that motivate you. Turn that negative into a positive. And before you leave this channel, I want to leave you with something encouraging. Your journey is your journey. Your experience is your experience. Not everyone will be able to follow you on your journey, such as life, such as your hair, such as your health, whatever it may be. Remember that it is your journey. Live, love, and peace. I encourage you all to live your dream. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you dolls later. Bye.
'cause real love is something that